If you've heard about Mitolyn and want to know if it really works, stick with me until the end because I'm going to tell you everything about this supplement and how it can help you. I'll share my real experience, the benefits I've noticed, and a super important warning so you don't fall for scams and end up buying a fake product. Well, I discovered Mitolyn after a lot of research. I always struggled with low energy and fatigue and was tired of trying different solutions that didn't work. Then I saw some people talking about Mitolyn, a natural supplement that promises to boost energy, improve metabolism, and strengthen the body overall. At first I was skeptical because, I've tried so many things that didn't work, but I decided to give it a shot. Mitolyn is a natural supplement with carefully selected ingredients to help the body produce more energy, improve cellular health, and combat excessive fatigue. It works from the inside out, boosting mitochondria and ensuring more stamina throughout the day. And what caught my attention is that unlike other products, it addresses the root cause of the problem instead of just masking the symptoms. Now pay close attention to this warning because it's serious. Since Mitolyn has become quite popular, a lot of counterfeit versions have popped up. People are selling it on Mercado Libre, Shopee, and even Facebook, but these products have no guarantee and can even be dangerous to your health. So, if you want to buy safely, the only reliable place is the official website, which I've linked in the description and pinned in the first comment. That way, you ensure you're getting the original product and can even take advantage of the promotions they always have there. Mitolyn's formula is what makes it so effective. It contains ingredients like CoQ10, PQQ, magnesium, and B-complex vitamins, which are essential for mitochondria function and increasing the body's natural energy production. Plus, it's a safe supplement with no side effects and can be used by anyone looking to improve their energy and overall health. Since I started using Mitolyn, I've noticed a huge difference. My energy levels have skyrocketed, my daily fatigue has decreased significantly, and even my focus has improved. Before, I always felt drained, but now I have the stamina to get through my day without that constant feeling of exhaustion. But one thing I always say is that you can't expect miracles. Mitolyn works, but you need to take it consistently every day to see results. I even recommended it to a friend who didn't take it seriously and only used it occasionally, and guess what? He didn't get the same benefits as I did. So, if you're going to use it, make sure to follow the manufacturer's recommendations. If you're still unsure, you can check the official website and read testimonials from other people who have used Mitolyn and had amazing results. There are tons of people sharing how their lives have changed since starting the treatment, which only makes me more certain that I made the right choice. So, if you're finally ready to boost your energy naturally and safely, I highly recommend you try Mitolyn. Remember, the official website link is right here in the description and pinned in the first comment, so you can buy it safely without risking scams. I hope this video has helped you. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and I'll answer them. Big hug and see you next time.